Today I am trading full margin this $10 small account with high risk leverage 1 to 3000.
3, 2, 1.
Today I am using 5-minute musculator divergence strategy. When musculator divergence price next will make a reversal or pullback. This is the only reason to me sell here. Now time to wait and see what will happen to this setup.
2,000 years later.
After more than 7 hours, market reacted to our setup nicely. Price dropped more than 30 pips. My running profit is more than $170. Price now in resistance area and also MA50 and mid BB area. So now I will take all my profit. If you want to open new account with this broker, link in the video description below. $10 into $175.
My time is bad, so I am silent. Let the time come, I will tell who I am.